The Shabrimala temple located inside the Periyar Tiger Reserve in Pathanamthitta, Kerala. It is one of the largest annual pilgrimage sites in the world with an estimate of over 50 to 60 million devotees visiting every year. The temple is dedicated to a Hindu celibate deity, Ayyappan, also known as Dharma Shasta, who according to belief is the son of Shiva and Mohini, the feminine incarnation of Vishnu. The traditions of Shabarimala are a confluence of Shaivism, Shaktism, Vaishnavism and other Shramana traditions. The temple is situated on a hilltop amidst 18 hills at an altitude of 1260 meters above sea level and is surrounded by mountains and dense forests. The dense forest, part of the Periyar Tiger Reserve, around the temple is known as Poongavanam. The worship of Shasta forms part of the very ancient history of South India. At Shabrimala, the deity is worshipped as Ayyappan and as Dharma Shasta. The shrine of Shabrimala is an ancient temple. It is believed that the prince of Pandalam dynasty, an avatar of Ayyappan, meditated at Shabrimala temple and became one with the divine. The place where the prince meditated is the Mani Mandapam. There are many Shasta temples in South India and across the globe. As per the temple history, the Shasta temple at Shabrimala is one of the 5 Shasta temples founded by Lord Parashurama, an avatar of Lord Vishnu. The other Shasta temples in this group of 5 includes the Ayyappan temples at Kulathupura, where the Shasta appears as a Balaga or child, at Aryankav, where the Lord appears as a Brahmachari or young man, at Achan Kovil Shasta temple, where the Lord leads the Grihastha Ashrama life here and depicted along with his 2 wives, Purna and Pushkala. At Shabarimala, where the Lord is depicted in the Vanaprastha or form of renunciation. At Ponnambala Medu, the Lord appears as a Magaravalakku. After the installation of the temple, it was mostly unreachable for about 3 centuries. In the 9th century, a prince of Pandalam dynasty called Manikandan rediscovered the original path to reach Shabrimala. He had many followers with him, including the descendants of the Vavar, a Muslim warrior whom Manikandan defeated family. This prince is considered an avatar of Ayyappa and is believed to have led a pack of tigers to his palace with Vavar and then later disappeared to the Shabrimala temple. The temple was then renovated. The Padinettu Tripadigal or the 18 sacred steps is the main stairway to the temple. As per the custom followed, no pilgrim without Irumudi Ket can ascend the 18 sacred steps. The temples of Lord Ayyappan's trusted lieutenants Karupuswamy and Kaduthaswamy are positioned as his guards at the foot of the holy 18 sacred steps. The temple of Maliga Purathamma, whose importance is almost in par with Lord Ayyappa, is located few yards from Sannidhanam. It is believed that the Lord Ayyappan had specific instructions that he wanted Maliga Purathamma on his left side. The shrine of the Lord of Snakes, Nagaraja, is placed adjacent to the Maligapuram temple. Pilgrims, after the darshan of Ayyappa and Kannimula Ganapati, make their darshan and give offerings to Nagaraja. Mani Mandapam is the place where Ayyappan Jiva Samadhi. The Shabarimala temple complex include Pamba Ganapati temple, Nilakkal Mahadeva temple and Palliyara Bhagavati temple. The Nilakkal Mahadeva temple and Palliyara Bhagavati temple is as old as the Shasta temple and the deities are worshipped as the parents of Lord Ayyappa. Ganapati temple at Pamba has Pamba Mahaganapati and Adi Ganapati, Sri Kovil, where the idol from the first Ganapati temple is worshipped. Shabari Peedam has a temple of Rama and Hanuman also. The pilgrimage to Shabarimala starts from the first day of Vrishchiga month of Malayalam year, month of Scorpio, and ends on the 11th day of Dhanu, the month of Sagittarius. This season of 41 days pilgrimage is known as Mandala season. The season is in the months of December and January. Harivarasanam is recited before closing the temple door every night. The Harivarasanam prayer, which is sung at Shabarimala, is a Orakkupattu. This significant ritual involves pouring sacred ghee brought by pilgrims in their pallikattu or irumudi, a two-compartment bag made of hand-woven cotton cloth used to carry the offerings for Shabarimala temple, carried on their heads on the idol of Lord Ayyappa. It symbolically means the merging of Jivatma with the Paramatma. While a red-colored irumudi is used by a pilgrim on his first journey as a Kanni Ayyappan to Shabarimala, others use navy blue till third year and thereafter saffron-colored irumudi. Lord Rama and his brother Lakshmana met Shabari, a tribal devotee at Shabarimala. Shabari offered the Lord fruits after tasting them, but the Lord accepted them gladly and wholeheartedly. The Lord then saw a divine person doing tapasya. He asked Shabari who it was. Shabari said it was Shasta. Rama walked towards him. Shasta stood up and welcomed the prince of Ayodhya. The anniversary of this incident is celebrated on Magaravilakku Day. It is believed that on Magaravilakku Day, Lord Dharma Shasta stops his tapasya to bless his devotees. The day is called Makara Sankranti. The most important message written at the temple facade is one of the four Mahavakyas of Advaita, or the non-dualistic school of philosophy. Tattvamasi, the third of four Mahavakyas, which in Sanskrit translates to Thou art that, is the principal philosophy that governs the temple and pilgrimage. As the pilgrimage is symbolic for the journey to self-realization that all living beings possess the essence of Brahman, pilgrims refer to each other as Swami, acknowledging their divinity. It means, in short, you are part of the Paramatma, which is the quintessence of Advaita philosophy. Swami Sharanamayappa.